What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So you already know I got the bike home. Absolutely in love with the bike. After all of these upgrade videos, I promise you guys I'm going to give you a very thorough review video on every single component, on exactly what I think about each of those components, what they do, how they feel, do I recommend them. But all in all, I love this bike so much. Like I said a couple days ago, I think it's the best Harley Davidson I have ever ridden. I just love the combination of components and upgrades that were done to this bike. I'm just so psyched. Every time I come down into the garage now, I honestly just sit there and stare at the bike and I just want to hop on it and ride. I'm sure you guys know that feeling. Silverback was an absolutely amazing bike. But this one, there's just something special about the components that were installed on this bike and how this bike rides and feels. It is just absolutely amazing. But I will definitely give you guys a review video about this bike in the next upcoming couple days. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. We're on our way to 100,000 subs. Hopefully we can make it there sometime in 2023. That would be absolutely amazing, and it's all thanks to you guys. So anyway, in today's video, I have a couple more upgrades. We're gonna do the Flow Motorsport black adjustable levers, and we're also gonna be installing at the same time the Memphis Shades handguards. So like I told you guys in the past, the Flow Motorsport levers are just amazing because I ride all winter long. I do not winterize the bike. And if it is really cold out, I'll wear my Gerbing heated gloves on. So they're pretty bulky. I also have the heated grips on this bike, which are absolutely amazing. I'm so glad I did it. But the stock levers, they're actually like big, thick, and cumbersome. So when you have a big, heavy heated glove on, it's really hard to grab, even though my hands are big. It's just really uncomfortable grabbing the brake and clutch levers. So I love the feel of the Flow Motorsport levers. They're thinner, they're adjustable. You could adjust them closer to the grip, and it's just a really fantastic lever. And as far as the Memphis Shades handguards, I mean, do I need to say anything about them? Typically on a cold day in the, say, high 30s, 40s, 50s, without heated grips, if I just have a regular glove on, for instance, on Silverback, with the Memphis Shades handguards, you do not need heated grips, nor did I need the use of my heated gloves. That's how amazing it is, because it's keeping that cold wind, rain, rocks, off your fingers. You don't know how many times I got beamed with a piece of gravel in the knuckle, and that, trust me when I tell you, that hurts really bad. Or if it's raining real hard, it feels like literally like pins and needles on your finger, or just keeps the cold air off your hands. So they are just absolutely amazing to have on the bike. It is a game changer. You have to have them. They work really well. Now, whether you like the look or not, that's up to you. I love the way they look, and they're just so useful for every sort of weather condition, or like I said, God forbid, a piece of gravel or a rock kicks up off a truck or something and beans you in the knuckle. So I also have the spline shafts for my Arlen S MX style mid-control pegs, but I still need the clevis pins. I want to get them in black. Today is Monday. Harley Davidson's not open by us, so I'll probably do that in another video. All right, so first let me show you guys. This is kind of what I'm talking about here. You guys know, I don't have to tell you. These levers, the stock levers are just, they're not adjustable. Look at the gap. There's like a 3 to 4 inch gap over here where you really have to reach out for this lever. And I'm not talking about on a nice day when it's warm out. I mean like in the say late fall, early spring, winter time when you got a heavy glove on. It's just big and cumbersome. I'm going to show you how different these Flow Motorsport levers actually look. Look at that gap. That's easily 4 inches right there. And they are fully adjustable. We're going to keep the chrome mirrors on. I like the look and the visibility is really great. And we're gonna be putting on some Memphis Shades handguards. I'm not gonna show you exact process, so how about let's just skip, because this is kind of really, really easy, but let me show you the products first. Right here, look at that. That is really nice. And as you guys can see right there, it is adjustable. And they're also, if you could see, they're breakaway, right? So we're gonna be putting them on nice and thin. I mean, compared to that, I mean, look at that. And a lot of people that have seen my bike also at rallies and stuff like that, or meet and greets, you know, they've said the same thing because they followed suit and they purchased these levers, and they also said the same thing, that they love them. Everybody seems to be loving these levers after they put them on their bike. And in here I have Memphis Shades handguards. Huge shout out to Memphis Shades for sending me these handguards out. Greatly appreciate it. Love the product, and let's go. All right, guys, all done with the installation. Great success, like Borat would say. Everything came out great. Really easy installation. I have everything set up, all tightened, ready to go. And look at that. That is friggin' awesome. That is just, it just protects with the heated grip, right? With the heated grips, a nice pair of gloves. Got the Memphis Shades handguards on. Now my hands are gonna be nice and toasty on cool fall or spring days, or cold winter months. So everything looks great. And I stood the bike up on the jack so you guys could see everything. Look at that. And it's breakaway, you see? So even if you got to get a big bulky glove in there, it'll still come in. Sorry, it's actually Halloween day and had some trick-or-treaters come up. So come on, got to give them the candy. Got to give them some candy. So here we go. So we got this side breakaway lever. It's already adjusted. You got an adjustment there. If you guys could see, hopefully, if the camera could focus in on that. But anyway, levers are on, Memphis Shades handguards are on, and the bike, I just love it. I just absolutely, I'm in love with this bike. And we're gonna be wiring up a USB kind of harness that I'll be able to have right there on my quad lock. I'll be able to have wireless charging on my phone, and you know, we always got something going on here in the garage. And then when we're done, guys, with all the upgrade videos, we're gonna be just riding the ever-living piss out of this bike. And then I'm gonna also bring you the review video before we start riding like crazy, because I really want to tell you guys what my thoughts are on this bike, the thought process behind the build, how it compares to Silverback. Wow, I just got so much in the noggin. So thanks for watching, guys. Love every single one of you guys. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.